True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Right now I'm in Lacovia, St. Elizabeth. I know many persons pass this area and don't even know so they pass a tomb very close in the road. So this is a tomb. So right now I'm in Lacovia, St. Elizabeth. True Jamaican Vibes. Tombstone, Lakovia, a tale is told that a party was in progress at a nearby tavern when a disagreement began between two persons, and this developed into a fight. As a result, both persons were killed and they were buried side by side. So right now I'm at Lacovia Tombstone. So if you want your freshly fruits, you can come to Lakovia. You can get your pine, your peanut, and a lot of stuff. So you know fruit is good for the body, so you can also stop right there. And also we are at the entrance of Lakovia High School. So many things we can do in St. Elizabeth, Lakovia. So right now I'm at Jamaica Zoo. So when you're coming to Lakovia, you all can stop at the zoo and have some fun over there. They have a lot of animals and stuff, so you all can stop there. So St. Elizabeth, nice place to be. So I'm gonna take you on a ride from Lakovia to Santa Cruz. So when you come to Jamaica or when you visit St. Elizabeth, you all can stop at Lakovia and stop at the zoo and enjoy the tour. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid, Lacovia, St. Elizabeth. So we're taking a journey to Santa Cruz. So everybody's supposed to know about Santa Cruz, and the climate in Santa Cruz is very hot. So take the ride with me, True Jamaican Vibes. So I am in Lakovia. I am very close to Holland Bamboo, but we are going to Santa Cruz. So it's a sunny weather today. Sweet, sweet Jamaica, nice can done. So when you come to Lakovia, I always go to Jamaica Zoo. You need to visit the Jamaica Zoo. Very nice place. So you all need to visit Jamaica Zoo. When you're driving down Lakovia, main road, you must always look out for animals. So if you're coming from Santa Cruz or Black River, Middle Quarters, you know we all have to cross Lacovia Bridge. So we're a few minutes away from Tombstone, so we're gonna take a little stop right here for a couple seconds. Then we head to Santa Cruz. Yeah man, True Jamaican Vibes. So if you make the right turn, the left turn, you can go to Horton, Newton, and also to Magotty. So a lot of things change in Lakovia. So you can see a new gas station. So we are a few minutes away from the Lakovia Bridge, so enjoy the ride. So the right turn will lead you to Jamaica Zoo. The right turn coming up lead you to Jamaica Zoo, Burn Savannah, Lover's Leap, GX, Mountainside, Junction, We all know St. Elizabeth is a big parish, a very big parish. I live in St. Elizabeth for how much years and I don't know we can't don't drive out St. Elizabeth. Also, we have a big papa farm in Lakovia. So if you want your organic papa, you can come to Lakovia. So we are very close to White Corner. On your left, you will see the Papa Farm. So we are now approaching White Corner. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. All about the countryside, all about the beauty. So enjoy the ride. So cool Jamaica. So we are now entering Rocky Hill. Nice and pretty road. Rocky Hill, St. Elizabeth. So we also have a district, we call it Park. So when we leave Rocky Hill, we're gonna enter to Park district. So if you want to feel some heat, you all need to come to Santa Cruz. Very, very hot place, Santa Cruz. True Jamaican Vibes. So I want to thank you all for watching my channel. Thanks for the support, and please enjoy the ride. Sometimes it's gonna be a bumpy ride and sometimes it's gonna be a smooth ride, so you have to enjoy it. It's just a Jamaican vibes. So we are about a few minutes away from Santa Cruz. So we are now in the park area. We call it park. So you have to be careful of the bike riders and stuff. So you have to be very careful. Welcome to Santa Cruz. Place to be, Santa Cruz. And also when you come to Santa Cruz, you also can visit a place where you can get yours.